Hey guys, Lance, the option teacher here. Just wanted to go over my SRX trades today. Had 5 total wins out of 5. I took a QQ one as well, which we're on beta test on. The 4 were SRX. If you could see, this was beginning of the day, and took a purple diamond here. And here, dropped down, took the profit. Second one was here, 955. I don't think I took that one. Let's look at all the trades. 904 Central, 1.36 to 1.44. Had a runner on that closed out at 1.4. QQ one is one that we're beta testing. I won't cover that. 10 o'clock was a good one. 10 o'clock I bought here. No. 10 o'clock I bought, puts at 0.61, close 0.65. 1220, 0.65 to 0.61. Took this blue diamond here. Quick scalped for the profit. And then the last one was 150, 0.42, close at 0.47. 150 was this purple blue diamond. Took it here. Close it out pretty quick after. So blue diamonds worked really well today. If you're interested in SRX, you want to join. It's really cheap. It's only $49 a month. I already made pretty much that in a day here. If you can look at all my trade logs. So if you're interested, come join us. We have a lot of scalpers, swing traders. We'll help you with the levels and how to get profitable in taking 0DT buy-side trades. Again, Lance, and have a good one.